Hello fellow hunters, this is Jared Lantern, and I'm here with a different kind of a video. I don't typically do unboxing videos for my props. I usually just go straight for the review itself. But I felt like this particular item or prop kind of required a kind of its own unboxing video, because I think if I were to get to the review, I would spend a lot more time on the particulars of what's included with this particular prop. So I just want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing video with a review to come soon after. But I did pick up the AtmosFX 3DFX form, and this is of course the life-size prop that you basically will project one of their digital effects on. So in addition to having their kind of like scenery type of digital effects, they also have singular characters that you can basically cast onto this 3D form here. I have heard that well, there were some not so great reviews for this particular item, but I soon heard after that they did somehow upgrade it, or they kind of changed it to make customers happier with. I don't know what kind of upgrade they did. I don't know what they did to it, or if this is even the newer one. I actually picked this up on Amazon. It was $60, but let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it all includes. So the first thing that I pulled out of the box, I believe this is the main form piece. So it's kind of like kind of a durable plastic material, and does have instructions right there. And this is much like kind of like a water inner tube type of material, so it's a pretty durable plastic, and it does have legs, I believe, already attached to the bottom here. So there's one piece. The next piece is the pump for the actual 3DX form. I'm pretty sure that's just kind of like a manual pump. I don't think it's automatic or anything. And then in addition to the form itself, you also get the covering. So this will actually be placed onto the 3DFX form, so that you can actually see the image that you're trying to project onto the form itself. And then lastly, you get these clips, and I think they said these clips are to hold the form onto the bottom of the, or excuse me, to hold the projection sheet on the bottom of the form. So if you look at the picture here, it kind of has like a ghost type of effect. So the form seems to be kind of like has a figure, kind of gets narrower down toward the feet, but then the sheet that goes over it kind of fills it out a little bit more. So I don't know. I'm looking forward to checking this out for myself. The really cool part about this is you actually get a download code for free digital decoration. Now you don't get all the scenes. You only get, you know how they sell them individually on the AtmosFX website. You only get one scene. But for this, I already have one in mind that I want to get. And of course, I'm going to be downloading the 3DFX version of that particular scene. But no other real instructions came with the box, because they tell you just to go to the website to figure out how to set it up, which I'm a visual learner, so I don't have a problem with that. But there it is, you guys. So you get the inflatable part for the form itself, the projection screen cover for the form, the pump, the clips for the bottom, and then of course the digital code. So like I said, this was just an unboxing. I'm gonna get a review up as soon as I possibly can, but there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, keep it creepy.